In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to browse board templates in Trello. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing your projects, tasks, and ideas, and one of its standout features is the wide variety of pre-built templates available for you to use. These templates can save you time and provide inspiration, whether you're managing a marketing campaign, planning a sprint, or even organizing your personal life. In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to find and explore these templates so you can start using them to streamline your workflows in no time. To begin, open your web browser and go to Trello.com. Once you're on the website, look to the top right corner of the page and click on the Login button. This will bring you to the login screen where you can enter the email address associated with your Trello account. Alternatively, you can choose a single sign-on option, such as logging in with your Google or Microsoft account. If you're prompted for a password, simply enter it and then click Login to continue. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Trello dashboard. If you're part of multiple teams or workspaces, make sure you're in the correct workspace before moving forward. You can verify this by checking the workspace name in the top left corner. Now that you're in the right place, take a look at the left-hand sidebar on your dashboard. Here you'll see a variety of options. Locate and click on Templates. This will take you to Trello's template gallery, where you'll find a collection of pre-made boards designed by both Trello and its community of users. Once you're in the gallery, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the page. This is where you can type in specific keywords to find templates that suit your needs. For example, you can enter phrases like content calendar, sprint planning, or onboarding to narrow down your options. If the search results aren't quite what you're looking for, you can adjust your keywords by adding or removing terms as needed. In addition to searching by keywords, you can also filter templates by category. On the left side of the gallery, you'll see a list of categories such as marketing, design, education, engineering, and personal productivity. Clicking on any of these categories will refine your results to show only templates that fit within that specific theme. As you browse through the templates, take a moment to read the descriptions provided for each one. These descriptions will give you a clear idea of the template's purpose, the process it supports, and the features it includes. For example, some templates might contain checklists, automations, or other helpful tools. Be sure to review this information carefully to ensure the template aligns with your needs. Finally, it's worth noting that some templates may reference advanced features like power-ups or other tools that require a paid Trello plan. However, you can still use the basic layout of these templates and customize them to fit your specific requirements, even if you're on Trello's free plan. And that's it. With these steps, you now know how to easily browse and find the perfect board templates in Trello. These templates are a great way to get started quickly and boost your productivity. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.